Okay guys, check one, check two. Just want to give you guys an insight into what my little workflow here. I've got a little bit of a production, a slight arrangement up here. And what I'm going to do today is work on it a bit. Now, what I tend to do on a lot of my tracks when I'm working is I would work on multiple things at once until I can't take no more of it, and then save it for a rainy day. And then you'll find that you get all your ideas down. Maybe they don't sound as exciting, or you enjoy them as you're making it, and then you get to a point where it doesn't sound so exciting because you haven't really taken it anywhere and you can't really see what to do with it any further. So then you save it up, you put it away for a rainy day, and then what you do is you come back to it at a later date, which is what I'm doing now. This track was made months ago. Or I'd say this arrangement was made months ago, and today I'm loading up for the first time. And by loading it and playing it, I'm getting that kind of first-person view of the production stage of it. So it's like I'm playing it to fresh ears, so to speak. So what I'm doing at the moment is I'm going to play it, and then I'm obviously going to hear, with more clarity, I can hear what it needs to take it further, hopefully. So I've just had a pre-listen before I started the video, to be totally honest, and yeah, it's sounding good. I mean, I like the sound of it, so I'm going to play it now. So I'll start from the top. Let's go. Nice little jungle vibe. Lovely. Nice little stringy intro there, look. So far the intro's like 37 seconds. And then you've got the bass line drop in there. Sounding way better than it did when I left it. Fresh ears. Need to put my bass chair on, man, so I can hear the bottom end. Ain't even got to that amen thing yet. Nice. Yeah, guys, if you want to see me, let me roll that over a couple more times. Right, so it needs a couple more of these. So let me run a repeat on these two, bomb, and then organize, repeat. Where is it? Repeat, yeah, boom. So I reckon from there now I'm going to go back to that nice little string. Right, so I'm going to arrange it now. So this is going to be copied over now. This is a little bit of arrangement I'm doing here now. So I'm going to repeat that, yeah, again. So it's going to go boom, boom, boom. Okay, so wait a minute. Let me get organized here. So this is like drop. So I'm going to call these drops first. Hold on. So let's get this sorted. Right, so it's drop one. So that's drop one there. Then I'm going to come here again. Boom, drop two. Drop two. Then I'm going to come here, drop 2.2. Alright, so now I know what I'm doing, yeah? So now I can come back to the string section here, right? And I can actually see what I'm doing now in terms of the arrangement. Let's get that all the way up there now. Hopefully the batteries on this headset will hold out, man. But this is a long time coming, man. These tutorials, we ain't touched these for a while. So we're going to go organize, repeat. And then you can see I've got drop one, drop two. Then I come back to the hashtag string again. So this is going to be the second drop. Right, and now, from here now, I'm going to come with some amen visits. All right, so let's see what I can find in there now. So I'm going to dig deep, go into some sample packs, I guess, and see what I can find here. So let's go into the old choppage and see what you can find in there. So some pure amens in there. Oh, that's nice. It's got a bit of reverb on it, that one. But look, I'm going to make a fresh track now for that, for the beat. And let's have a look. Look, now, what we can do, because you don't want these blocks to be playing exactly the same, as previously, and you don't want the previous blocks to be playing exactly the same as these blocks. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make all these blocks unique, right? That way, they're not going to they're going to be different from what's in the rest of the track, because you don't want ghost copies, because they're a nightmare. Okay guys, just to let you know, I'm doing all of the samples in this project, including the arrangement file, the whole entire arrangement, bounce out stems, and also all of these individual samples and breaks as well that are now in a phrase format as well. So you've got your individual phrases and stuff like that. So the reason why I've done the phrases as well is so that you can just literally just press a key and put the beats at literally any tempo, and it will work straight into your projects. I've got the breaks used here. All of them are timed up, BPM to whatever BPM you want to do, and also the whole arrangement, so you can load it up, you can check it out. The pack's now available at samploids.com. Go there, grab it. I'll put a link in the description. Also, you'll be supporting the channel by grabbing the pack and mess about with the samples on there, and get a feel for how this all works. Also, for those of you who are the patrons, the pack is now available to download on the Patreon, free of charge, obviously, because you're already a patron. So that's big up to you guys for showing the support, showing love, keeping the channel going. Yes guys, big up. So now so what I'm going to do here now, right, before I come back to that, I'm just going to, let me just loop up that amen. I'm going to put it into, to make life easier, I'm going to chop this up. So, nice amen, that one. Right, so I'm going to chop this up, hit the old chops. And then I'm going to, okay, I made a mistake there. Let me go back to, first thing I want to do is take the loop off this sample, man, because you don't want all the chops looping. They can be a nightmare. I'd rather have control over the samples that I want to loop, you see. So I'd rather do it that way. All right, so let's go again. I'm going to turn on the loopings. Turn off the loopings, and then I'm going to, let's hit that there. There we go. So that's like a double hit. Let me just zoom in on that now. Man, it feels good. Happy holidays, people. It feels real good to be able to, you know, sit down here for, it's been a long time, man. Now we're in a UK lockdown. I can get stuck in on these tutorials. Little double hit there. Hopefully be able to play this on the Amen Therapy show, guys. Don't forget, every Saturday I'm doing the Amen Therapy sessions where we go live, doing a bit of a DJ set, bit of fun and banter with all the crew. Alright, so what we got here, so let's have a look. Okay, cool, so that's that, yeah, alright, so let's get on it. Alright, so now at this stage let's mute what we don't want. Now, the reason why all this is playing is because I've got phrases working. And the phrases, they never stop. It's a bit crazy, but yeah. It works, though. So I'm going to program in little bits and pieces. Oh, I just muted that track, man. Interesting. Alright, so D. We got D, C, D. Then we just go D sharp. E, F, F sharp. Right, so you hear that staggering, so these notes got to be close together. There we go. Bring that down there. Oops, undo. Boom, boom, boom. Yep, looking good. Boom. Yeah, yeah, yeah. F, E, F, G now, isn't it? F sharp, G. Right, it's a bit nitty there. Right, so let me just loop that over a minute. Let me just get the bar down to, what is it, 10. Okay peeps, this video is part of a multi-series. Look out for the next one. Please smash that like button if you want to see more quicker. Big up man, take care, God bless, peace.